Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. My name's Thurgix, and today we're going to be playing some Metro 2033. I think this is the Redux, but it's the updated version with just slightly better graphics. It's practically the same game. Huge fan of this game series. I originally got turned onto it from the Stalker games. They're actually based on, I think they're based on the exact same book series, but one was made, Stalker was made first, and then something happened with the development team, I think, and part of them broke off, and then they went and made this game. Both game series are wonderful. I have nothing but praise to say for both of those studios. I just feel like this version, since it's literally just a newer, updated kind of idea of the Stalker series, this one's just a little bit nicer for me to stream. Stalker's a wonderful game. It's one of my favorite games, but like most of my favorite games, it's got a lot of inventory management and menus and things, so it's not the most fun thing to watch. So instead, I wanted to try this out as a way to kind of gear up for Stalker 2. If people want, I can go back and play the original Stalker games. I will always play those original Stalker games. They're absolutely amazing. Especially once you start getting into like the modding community, like Stalker Anomaly, I think it's called, or yeah, it's Stalker Anomaly Gamma, I want to say, but it's a wonderful mod set. If you've already purchased the games, definitely go check that out. But for this, I'm going to be playing an unmodded version of Metro 2033, and we're going to see how this goes. So let's get into it. So we're going to go with a new game. I'm going to go with the more forgiving because, honestly, as much as I love video games, I'm not particularly great at them, and I'm very rusty at this particular shooter myself. And Ranger Hardcore. Oh yeah, absolutely not. No. We're going to go with normal, Spartan, and normal. Yeah. Here we go.
I was born in Moscow, but I remember nothing of that time. I was just an infant when the old world was destroyed in the flames of nuclear fire. I, along with $40,000, were saved by retreating to the metro stations deep under the city. Now, 20 years have passed, and going up into the embrace of an endless winter was left to a few brave souls. The metro was our home, and our fortress against the nightmarish mutants who roamed the tunnels. Still, we never gave up hope that we would return to the surface. But one day, a new threat appeared, and we found ourselves in a war to determine the very existence of our species. The tunnel grew colder. Miller and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we would climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there. My long journey was nearly at the end. But would I have the courage, the will to see it through?
I really enjoy the soundtracks and the music that they put into these games. Just the oh, wonderful. I'm just over here jamming out. All right, let's get moving.
Hey, Artyom. When you left your home station, did you ever think we'll end up in a place like this? Not knowing whether we were about to save our world or send it straight to hell.
Oh. Oh my god.
What? We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface, Artyom. Тихо. Something's moving in the next room. Open the gate, I'll cover. Shit is always breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary hand system to open the gate.
I really don't like having my gun out for this, but I get it. Z. Doing control. Alright.
Artyom, check those crates for
Oh,
ammo and
control might be
medpacks.
toggle.
Ready, Artyom? Follow me.
Was I running around with an empty clip?
Okay,
I guess it's a magazine. I
up we go.
feel like an idiot. No, this is an M1 Garand. It's a clip. No, it's not.
Seems like nobody's home. Before we hit the surface, put your gas mask on. Without it, it'd be like a goldfish outside the door.
Any more supplies? Nope.
This is the Korolев. Close to the tower. No good weapon.
Oh. Alright. Okay. Well, I already did that. Oh, shit. God damn. I'm surprised I didn't hit him. Oh, shit. Damn, we're getting way too much crossfire over here. This is bad.
Let's give it a pull.
Oh yeah, we just killed like fucking a million fucking mutants, but yeah, let me help you out with this damn door.
You ready? Pull.
Alright.
Let's move out.
Sure you don't need help with more doors? Holy fuck, that's tall.
Come in. Over.
Wait,
Coming
shit.
through loud and clear. Over. Where's the tower? I repeat, where's the tower? Did the group move out? Over. That's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top of the tower. Get a fix on our location.
Oh shit. See, this is why I was looking behind me. You know, you almost ran me over, Colonel.
Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it?
It's more of those fucking mutants.
Form a circle.
Oh no, that's not good. Oh my god.
Stay calm. Watch your backs, boys. Okay. Looks it's gonna be tougher than the library.
I love the libraries though. Oh shit. Don't do it, don't do it. Why am I out of ammo? Oh my goodness. I don't have any other guns. You guys got ammo? Nobody's got ammo. Oh shit. No. Ah! Demons? That's bad. Maybe they have. Oh no.
Life was never easy in the tunnels, but it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20 and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my stepfather's friend Hunter arrived at the barricade.
8 days earlier. Man, it's been so long since I played these games. It does feel like a brand new game. Like I remember some of the like major points of the story, but most of what I remember is actually from the sequel to this game, which I'll also be doing a playthrough of. But wow, I can't believe I ran out of ammo so fast. But I guess if you watch me playing, yeah, I wasn't aiming too well. All right.
Artyom, you're awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on.
Can I pick up anything over here? Okay, well, at least I'm saving that.
Let's go, Artyom.
I'm going.
Peace, disease. I've been through worse, and I'm not giving up. What's your plan?
Alex,
Hand them all down.
Yes, Nikolai?
the station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
What more can we do?
The Dark Ones will kill us all.
Let's see what Hunter says.
Yeah, let's see what Hunter says.
Sergei, have you seen my Sergei?
Hello, Artyom. Relax.
Hello.
Another patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
Fuck.
The situation's under control.
Oh, and the situation's under control. Is it?
What about
Let's go,
Alexei?
Artyom.
He was at the outpost.
Leave him alone. He's been
My brother is in the hospital.
no visitor.
Peter!
Captain said he was okay, but... Oh, that's you. Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom. The situation
Hey.
under control.
How are the wounded?
Not much improvement. 2 died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill outright, but they damage a victim's mind. sooner or later, this leads to death. Wait.
I can't reach.
No. What the hell? Who could that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate.
Mutants don't knock first. That's how you make a fucking entrance, my guy. Hey.
Welcome to Exhibition, Hunter.
Thanks. Now close your gate.
It's been a long time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
Hello, Hunter.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about the exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels. Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
Oh, thanks. It'll go nicely next to Big
These are
Ben.
not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else. What the hell? Something much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
Intruder alarm in the main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
What?
Just what we need.
What?
There are wounded here just behind the
I don't have a gun.
Take your group to the tunnels. Hunter,
Alex, we must stay here and defend the hall.
I don't have a gun.
Team, quickly get a weapon.
Yeah, where? I would like a weapon. Can you... Really? Don't give me the rifle or nothing.
They never come this far into the station.
It's the hospital. They smell the blood.
Oh, no. Oh, there's too many vents. Shit. Probably shouldn't have shot. I don't know if friendly fire's on, but like, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Oh.
All right.
Oh.
Of course. It's a Deadeye shot, this one.
I'm completely out of ammo. I don't know about Deadeye.
Dark ones here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run through the tunnels like rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo Novus, the next step in evolution. You've
Okay.
heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
What's happened to you, Alex?
Alright.
You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws.
Goddamn right.
I'll take more than a few of your Homo Novus with me to help.
Fair.
You think you're some old movie cowboy?
I got a
Have
revolver.
look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. Their bodies broken, their minds gone.
Dark Ones! They destroyed the outer guard post!
I need ammo. Oh, this is the scene from the intro. They're playing fast and loose with this timeline, huh? I'm here for it, though. Ooh, I see a rifle on the ground.
What's happening out there, beyond your perimeter? I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully at him. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to police station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me. What's stirring in the northern tunnels. Show this to Miller so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Artyom. Don't let me down.
That
If we are to
seems...
survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated. Understand?
Alright.
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards. I signed on for the ride.
Oh, I bet Dad was pissed. Hopefully I can be a little bit more conservative with my ammo this time around. Who am I kidding?
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh?
Okay. A little bossy, but alright. Oh, thank God, ammo. That goofy motherfucker. I wish I knew more Russian so I could actually, like, you know, understand what they're saying a little bit better. New note. The task of defending our home station from the Dark Ones, enemies, horrifying, mysterious, and unbeatable, is becoming the sole focus of all of our efforts. We've all but forgotten our old enemies. The Nosales? Nosales? Nosalises? Ah, they said it earlier, I should have been paying more attention. And the Watchmen. If not for Hunter, these beasts would have been unleashed on our hospital. I cringe to think of the carnage that would ensue should Hunter have arrived a mere hour too late. I mean, yeah, that dude seemed pretty badass, and he at least had, you know, a rifle and ammo and shit with him, unlike my dumbass. What? What's that? Oh, it's the radio! Yeah, we're gonna leave that off. Anything? Ooh! Alright. I don't think there's anything else for me to pick up over here. What's up?
Sorry, Artyom. This part of the station is under temporary lockdown. Only the guards may pass.
But I signed up to be a guard. Well, I guess I signed up to be a guard on a patrol.
That's some nice music. Where did you get that record?
Got it from a ranger for a ton of ammo.
Hey, you're
this
sure
shit.
you don't regret getting
Hey.
Green, Mom told me to keep away from you. That you were no
something
good.
else now.
And she
How
was
about...
right.
I know. How about the house?
God comes over and says,
Come on.
baby, if my wife could cook like you, I'd be the happiest man in the world.
Mom comes back, show it to her, and she'll be... I don't want to hear about your nugget.
Can your wife cook at all? And he says, actually, I'm not married. That's sweet.
Well, at least we're not worrying about food. Is that what's this?
Nobody home. Dirt everywhere, just dirt.
Who's that?
You know, liars, hypocrites, traitors, everything.
Oh!
Busy right now.
Oh. Okay. Well, I mean, thanks for, I guess, not just ghosting me, but like... Excuse me. Sorry. I know you're cleaning. Might be. I hope I'm going the right way.
Looking for you all over the place. Ain't no fun at all.
Major step in defense of the metro system. As a sign of goodwill, the troops from Riga are already on their way here. We're counting counting on all our citizens to welcome our new allies and to offer them the same respect shown to our home guard. Thank you for your attention.
Riga, huh? That's where I'm going.
God, how can this be? Tell
Oh,
me
guns, guns, guns.
Good weapons make good soldiers.
To a nearby station, then.
While at war, your weapon is your best friend.
Come over, take a look. Drunk again.
Come on, son.
Get the hell out of here.
Can I get some chow?
Well, sweetheart, what should I be
Some salted pork. Stop exchange. Alright, you know what? You know what? We're gonna just pretend that I have enough ammo because I kind of want to save up and see if I can get something better later. So I don't want to upgrade my first gun if it's gonna be like replaced almost immediately, you know.
Artyom, where's your gear? No, go to the armory and get geared up.
What? I thought I'd. What's this then? Oh. Hello.
What do you make of that new guy? He seems completely incompetent.
As if you were born a soldier. Anyone can learn anything.
No, only if you're cut out for it. If not, you'll be a cleaner or a loader for the rest of your days.
Got both hands? Got a head? Here's your gun and go, go, go. Never fear, it's the same old story.
I'm here for that. I believe that says armory.
Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look. Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun.
Well, thank you. Oh, there we go.
Use short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo, too.
Oh, thank you.
Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered.
Damn, bro. You're hooking me the fuck up, man.
And a gas mask. Put it on if you cross any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface. Army issue first aid kits, just in case.
Holy shit, man.
Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Fair. Is there extra ammo for the firing range? Ooh, I love that side loader. Don't really want to waste my ammo, but that teddy bear is looking mighty fine. Okay. Oh, the magazine literally. Oh man, that's great. Although I guess I should have just lost all of those things, but most games don't do the dead clips. Dead magazines. I keep calling them clips like an asshole. I think it's this way? Yeah.
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Moscow's gone.
That's a nice little scene. This reminds me a lot of Stalker with the guitar playing and around the campfire. Oh, what's that? Oh, I'm not gonna steal from you, bud.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
Good. Is this where I'm going? Is this where I need to go? Oh, hey, Dad.
Come in, son. You're ready to set off?
Yep.
Good. You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga. We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear. That's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom, one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours. They are reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my boy.
See you in a bit, Papa. Ooh, another note. Oh, okay. But Hunter arrived at the expedition just on time. I like to think that that was not just blind luck, but it was fate at work. And that it was the same fate that made Hunter choose me to travel to Polis with his report on the Dark Ones. Oh, I guess Hunter wants me to go to Polis, and my dad wants me to come back from Riga straight back to Expedition. Interesting. Well, considering this, the way, if I remember correctly, the game plays out, I think I'm going to Polis. He chose me to travel to Polis with his report on the Dark Ones. It seems that I've dreamt of visiting Polis, the great legendary center of the Metro, the center of our civilization, my whole life. But a chance to actually make that dream come true just had to come by now, of all times, when my home station desperately needs every fighter in the field. Do I have the right to abandon my adopted father, my friends, in an hour of danger? Where is my place next to them on the barricades? Oh, where is my place? Next to them on the barricades? Or at the far stations where Hunter sends me? I don't know for sure, but I still set out on a journey. I'd like to believe that I'm summoned by fate. Hell yeah. Guess I missed some notes earlier. That sucks. Can I take anything from you, Dad? You got any ammo for me or anything? Can I take that? That looks tasty. AK-74, maybe? 74U? I don't know. Looks way too small. For... This dude's just killing it on the fucking guitar. And then... Where do I go? This way, I guess? Yeah, this looks right. Oh, piggies! Hey, piggies!
Hi, Artyom. How about the piglet? A mighty fine pet, I must say.
Give me some rest. Can't even get a break for a smoke. Hold that ladder! Steady up! I'm holding it all right!
Don't fall, my guy.
I got it, I got it!
Little piggy.
Artyom, here! Move it!
Привет! So you ready to move out?
Yes.
Are you ready? Well, let's go then. You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. Alrighty then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
let's go.
Good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh! Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous. Even better, right?
Oh man, you're gonna get killed. Don't talk like that in a video game, man.
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be heading straight back from Riga. But Hunter was depending on me.
I fucking knew it.
So,
goodbye, Papa.
Riga, I'm making the rounds, buying merchandise.
Well, I bet you've seen a few places then.
Yeah, the market is right next to Riga, and that's a big metro already. I used to
I
make
can turn all the way
regular
around.
trips to Polis, but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from Hansa.
I'd love to
How come?
Hey.
Hansa connects to the whole metro and has a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders. And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately. If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other. Actually, I didn't even reach the station itself. I was suddenly overcome with fear.
Slow down, guy.
Peter, what's up?
A military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevska. A tunnel collapsed or other shit. You have to use the service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevska.
Ah, fuck. I hate this tunnel. All right, Peter. Open up the gate. No point being stuck here forever.
Why? Well, what's wrong with that tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through there last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all.
That's not super reassuring, my guy.
Have a safe trip.
We're riding a ham car and we're armed, so I think we'll make it there okay.
Alright. Loaded up. Ready to go.
Damn, it's my hand hurt.
If you help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Dude.
Okay, Eugene, you go help the men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure, I'll help. That way we'll get
The
to
back
it
or the
in no
front?
time, right?
Do you want me to...
No, we should get out of here sooner. It's scary when they're around.
Okay.
And I pity them.
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them weep?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about, huh? What the hell is going on? Boris? Boris!
What's happening to me?
Bro. What? Oh no.
My head! Artyom! What is it? Artyom! Over here!
If we
Hunters?
are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated.
A dark one. Gotta be. What? Any leaves? Oh, damn! Damn! Holy shit. What the fuck? The fuck was that? But we need to get... Is everybody dead? Oh, whew.
What the hell's going on? Shit.
Shouldn't have shot at that thing.
Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Boris! Boris, wake up! Boris! Shit! It's no good!
Fuck.
Ah! Oh god! Ah! Shoot them! You shoot them! Take the ladders! Come on!
Oh! Oh god. Oh damn! Oh damn!
Artyom, take my shotgun! Here!
Oh hell yeah. Oh damn, the dude from Rica. Boris! Shit, there's so many. Fuck off!
Conserve!
Come on, come on. Oh, damn! Oh, fuck! At least fucking Boris woke up. Jesus. Well, don't fucking shoot me! Oh my god, don't shoot me! Don't shoot me!
He's alive! Come here, quick!
Well, don't fucking shoot me!
Give him a chance!
Yeah, I need to get me one of those! Fuck yeah.
That was hot.
Oh.
I need a drink.
Yeah, you and me both, man. That dude from Riga got. The
Riga
horse did too.
Station was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So, before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival. The vodka didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone. But I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
Ooh, mysterious.
All right, boys. Let's train to our friend Artyom, who goes right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom.
To you.
Oh, well, I'll drink to that, motherfucker.
Hell, if not for you, Artyom, we'd have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal.
I don't know about that.
Or at least some extra ammo. Here, take them.
Well, you know I can't conserve for shit.
Artyom, to you.
More drinking! Just a fucking coffee cup of fucking vodka, Jesus.
Artyom, you really immune to that shit?
See if that shroom vodka knocks him down, huh?
Okay, we've got to check that. To our luck. And to Artyom.
I'm glad you made it, my goofy fern.
The vodka kicks everyone's ass, huh?
So tell me, the tunnel to market's closed down and I'm bored to death.
Oh, let me
Take care of my ass.
get my ammo.
We passed through some kind of invisible wave. We all blacked out.
Thanks, boy. I'm selling a lot of drinks because of you.
But our friend Artyom,
Okay.
seems the tunnel should...
I got my prize.
I'll take that.
What the hell do you care if I think will duck?
I'll drink to such a nice
Don't
guy.
care, asshole.
Riga!
My orders.
Are you Artyom? Hey, there's a man at the Black Street waiting for you. I'll guide you there for one bullet.
Okay.
Thanks. Let's go.
Shit, kid. Fucking running, huh? These goofy little rain boots. I wonder who's waiting. Who even knows I'm coming?
That's him sitting over there. Well, I'll be going. Bye.
Come here. You're Artyom, right? Sit down. Everybody calls me Bourbon. Listen, I need to get to Dry Station for some business, but this rat hole is on lockdown. I, however, know a back way. A so-called cursed passage the locals are afraid to use.
That sounds terrible.
But I hear the shit in the tunnels doesn't work on you. So, you help me get to dry, I'll give you my AK when we get there.
Hey!
Deal?
Yeah.
Good.
Sure.
Here's an advance payment in case you need to gear up first.
I'm gonna.
Are you ready?
No, I want to gear up first.
Just make it short.
Yeah, sure. Let me just find the bullet exchange. And, I'll try and find my way back here. Man, this place is confusing. Let me see. So I know I came across this way. No, I went over here.
Hey, baby. You like what you see?
This seems like a trap.
I'll show you a good time. Special price for you.
Yeah, no thanks.
Is that a gun in your pocket? Or are you just happy to see me?
It's both, darling. Yeah, no thank you. I'm not trying to get fucking... Whoop. I'll take that. Not trying to get fucking booted off YouTube. Any more little... bullets? 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 Where the hell am I? Bullets? Okay, can't go that way. Bullets? No? Nothing? Okay. Let's get back out of here. So, how did I get here in the first place? I'm just trying to get back to that main station. Peek, peek. Nope. Okay. Oh, that's right. That's fucking right. Man, I'm stupid. Alright, where's the gun exchange? Gun exchange. Guns, guns. It's gotta be around here somewhere. Riga, no. Guns, guns, guns. It's over here. Guns! Hey!
Come, look, try and buy.
Okay.
Whatever.
Fun.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, you whatever. Yeah, with that and the grenades. What's in here? Oh, more bullets? 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 Oh, hey, it's that book. Oh, I'm not trying to... Oh, sorry, buddy. Jesus. Oh, it's the shooting range. Oh, this is great. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. I feel like a revolver rifle and like where my hand is on that is probably not great. I don't know if you guys know much about guns, but a revolver, there's a gap between the cylinder and the barrel, where gases will release when you fire the gun. So if you had like your fingers there, like where it is, like yeah. So if you had your fingers like where that is, like my palm right now, where my palm is, would be getting blasted every single time I fire the gun. So you just never have your fingers or hands anywhere near that cylinder gap. Yeah, I don't know about the functionality of this, but hopefully it's a video game and they're not thinking that hard about it. That's my hope. I already went to the armory. What's over here? Nothing? Oh, that's where I came from. That's the tracks. So let me...
Wow, did you really come here on a handcar?
Yes, I did. Yes.
Wow, I'd love to ride that
Be careful
thing.
here.
Could you give a bullet?
Hey, kid. Beg somewhere else.
Oh, I really should be going now, or else I'll get a spanking.
What?
I am trying to feed my sister. Give me a bullet, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
It's just one. Okay, and then down here. Now I gotta go find bourbon. Oh no! Trying to get me canceled, lady. Bourbon, bourbon, bourbon. Here we go.
Are you ready?
Now I'm ready.
Sitting in this crap hole is useless.
But I said I was ready. Oh, okay. You're not even gonna say goodbye to the missus? Alright, bourbon. Where are we headed? Aren't we just going back to the tunnels? Oh, no, we're going back down over here. Oh, I bet we're gonna push that box out of the way.
Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три, четыре. Икс солдатушки, право репатушки. Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три.
Oh, he's gonna push it out the way. I guess he's stronger than me, huh? I'm supposed to be like some 20-year-old kid, so that makes sense. Alright, here we go. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content.